Welcome guys to my channel. This is Sanctified Design Consult, and in this video you'll be learning how to generate your general arrangements, popularly known as GA, for your design. If you are a beginner, intermediate, expert, in this video you'll be learning how to generate your GA. Ensure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get new updates whenever I post new videos like this. Let's dive into today's work. So guys, this is the floor plan, and as you can see, I've turned off the necessary things that I have to turn off: the window, the door, so that I can work with it effectively. Now we'll be creating our general arrangement, and for us to create our general arrangement, we must create our layers properties for the column, for the x axis, and for the y axis. Now to do that, go to layers properties. I'll create new layers and I will name it column. I will select color red for my column, red color. I'll create another layer also. I'll call it y axis. I'll name it magenta. Magenta is here. Okay. I'll create another new layer, name it x axis, and I will name it magenta also. For my column, I will increase the line width to 0.4. Okay, I will increase the line width. So I want to work with my column now. I will select my column as the current layer. I have selected my column as the current layer. So I will close this. Then I will pick my polyline. You will be using polyline, not line, polyline here. So I want to create my column. I will turn on F8 so that my line can be straight. F8, or you come here, you turn this on. This auto mode, you turn it on. Now the column is 225, 225. I'll be using 225 for my column. 225 again, down, enter. 225 again, 225, enter. So escape. So I will copy this now. Copy. So I will copy it from the edge here up here. I'll put one here. So I will turn off the F8 so that I can place this column properly. I put one here. I will also put one here. One will be here. I'll put one here. I will also put one here. One will be here. And one will be here also. I'll put one here. One here. I'll put one here also. I'll put one here also. I'll put one here. And I will put one here. I will also put one here. And one will be here. But before I place this one, I need to place the line so that I can place it properly. Now let's create our x axis now, and I will select x axis as my current layer. So I will close it. I will pick line. I will turn on auto mode F8. So I have drawn my, let me draw my, so let me select my line, my x axis now. CO for copy. I want to place it properly. Sorry, I have to move it. M, move, enter, move. So I have placed it at the center. Now I have to copy the remaining one. So let me copy it to the remaining other side. Copy, copy here too, copy here too. So now let me now place the column here. Now before I place the one here, let me do the y axis. Come to layers. I will select y axis here. Close. I'll be using line also. So I will copy this. I'll copy this. CO for copy. So I will turn off the auto mode F8. I will copy it here. I will also copy it here. I will also copy it here. So escape. We are done copying now. Now let us now place column here so that we can place it correctly. CO. Middle. Yes. We have placed it correctly. Note that when you are placing column, it must not be greater than 4 meter. 4 meter. If it is 5 meter, it is still manageable, but it must not be greater than 4 meter. So you have to measure it very well so that the distance between the column will not be too long and it will not fail when you are doing your analysis and design. Now let's trim this. This one is too long. I will turn on the auto mode. I want to trim this side and this side. Yes, that is the true side I want to trim. Trim. TR for trim. Enter, enter. So I will delete these two. So the next thing I wanna do is we have to create our the numbering. We want to label it. So let's label it. Pick the circle here and come here. So I move this circle. So before we move this circle, let's create our text. I'll be using 500 for the text. 500. Enter. So I will call this A. I will label it as A. I will copy it. CO for copy. Enter. I'll copy it inside this. I'll turn off the auto mode F8 and copy it inside this circle. Yes. So this circle and this alphabet array, I'm gonna move it back a little bit. Move. Yeah, you can see it. So let's copy it to the remaining side. CO for copy. Copy.